Ngasigi class ina light ki matang da topsi say class 10 gi light chi syllabus ida kone yaurisi luminous and non-luminous object, reflection of light, laws of reflection, adagi spherical mirror da makanani concave mirror and convex mirror, adagi image formation by convex mirror in image formation by concave mirror haiba sinang asigi class oidoni. Now luminous and non-luminous object koina pot ama object ama ubai je mangan gi mateng na object udoni mangan jina luminous object haji karam object no haida gadi masagi mangan pithokpa ngamba object adubu koina luminous object ko. So luminous object that emit their own light, that is for example sun, flashlight, etc. Say siki bulb the sun say they emit light, so they are known as luminous object. And non-luminous object haitadi akoina say non-luminous objects are those objects which do not create light. So how we able to see them? Non-luminous object masagi mangan pithokpa ngamdaba adugumba object to kamaina uba phangi haitagadi luminous object amadagi thadoreba mangan jina luminous object amada. Say example, there are many examples. Say akoi scenery light phiron adagi akoi isa body akoi human body itself si jingji non-luminous body ni maramdi they do not emit light of its own. Aduna ngasagi luminous object amadagi thadoreba mangan jina haiba object sida yeireba matungda reflection toi reflection duna koigi mioibagi mit manungda changra kanda magi object tu akona uba phangi. Se akona luminous object ta se sun lere bulb lere se torch light lere. Se non-luminous object na mu se kongu dagi animals leriba tai poche item jingji non-luminous body ko. So non-luminous objects that do not give out their own light are known as non-luminous object. They can only be seen when light falling on them reflects into our eye. The moon and the earth are examples of non-luminous objects. Akoina tha si moon si yengbada mangan pithorokpa oina ui adubu the moon is a non-luminous body. Masagi mangan pithokpa ngamjade only nungsa mangan ray light from the sun when it falls on the surface of the moon are reflected. Adu reflector ba mangan dunane akoina lang na urije aduna sun haita di luminous object ni aduga moon haita di non-luminous object. So we can differentiate say luminous object and non-luminous object. An object that gives out light is called luminous object. An object that does not give out light is called a non-luminous object. Okay, example sun, candle lamp, torch, diya, fireflies, lantern, etc. And non-luminous object ki example the paper, table, kite, bell, bat, clock, building, etc. See non-luminous object. Adagi amo akona luminous object and non-luminous objects. Luminous object is one that produces its own light. A non-luminous object is one that reflects light. So these are luminous objects and these are non-luminous objects. Now, sida akona book is luminous la non-luminous la hai tadi book is non-luminous ni. A burning candle hai tadi luminous. A wax cloth say non-luminous. A pencil non-luminous. A pen non-luminous. A light bulb luminous. A tire non-luminous. A torch luminous. Now come to reflection of light from a plane surface. Akoina mangan surface, smooth surface or polished surface amada yaiba matam sida kedawi mangandu thaktorakpa adugi phenomenon dubu reflection of light ko. So reflection of light sida kona se sida torch light amdagi se ray of light see this is a mirror is here, then it is reflected along this. So this is known as incident ray and this is known as reflected ray. So from the letter, so incident ray, see incident ray, see reflected ray. See is in a normal. This is normal. So this is reflected ray, incident ray. Now see the sigi ray incident from the reflector. So this is normal and this is known as incident ray, this is known as reflected ray. See incident ray ga normal gana same angle. This angle is known as angle of incidence and it is denoted by I, and the angle between the normal and reflected ray, that is this angle is known as angle of reflection and it is denoted by R. Now there are two types of laws of reflection. So number one, the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence are always in the same plane. Sigi arthasi kare hai no hai tadi sigi incident ray sigi normal to the point of incidence and reflected ray moi ahum se same plane the lay. And second one is the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Second law says that angle of incidence, that is angle the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So angle I is equal to angle R. So this is known as second law of reflection. Now we have reflections, say diffuse reflection or mirror reflection. This is reflection by light, this is reflection from a smooth surface, polished surface. Like plane mirror. And then sige the say rough surface. Rough surface. Rough surface the my reflection occurs, but reflected rays they move in different orientation, they move in different directions. Say reflected ray move in different direction. Aduna kona sigi kano si ubongamde image form to bongamde. Now see you see your image through a plane mirror at a distance of 2 meters from you. What is the distance of the mirror from you? So here say this is an object. Say object or say P is an object. So this is object, and sidai lakpa ray se ketore from the reflector. So lakpa ray is from the reflector. So Q is the image which is formed behind the mirror. Now by question, the object is at the distance of 2 meters. So the image is also at the distance of 2 meters from the mirror. Like the image distance is equal to object distance. Image distance means distance between image and mirror. Object distance means distance between object and mirror. So image distance is distance between image and mirror. Object distance is distance between object and mirror. Sige kaigumba object si 2 meter lap mafam da thamadi image 2 meter lap na behind the mirror form tawni. Now the second question is, a brick wall reflects the ray of light emitted from a candle lamp, but you do not see the image of the candle through the brick wall. What is the reason? Akona candle ama mirror amagi mamangda thamdagati candle dugi image ubo phangi. Adubu candle ama wall brick wall amagi mamangda thandun thamadi akona candle dugi image form to bangamde kai gino haitagadi nazagi diffuse reflection to name. Azagi sida shed liber candle library as I since the wall of the say brick wall do the irregular surface webinina reflection in different directions reflection tawi means diffuse reflection tawi aduna cannot bongam the image candle dugi image form to ngamti. So for a brick wall, the reflecting surface, that is the wall, is not perfectly polished, so the rays are reflected irregularly. Now agona hozik reflection from spherical mirror. So a spherical mirror is a kaino aitadi. So agona sigi there are two types of spherical mirror. So one is concave mirror and another is convex mirror. Concave mirror haitadi agona mirror is part of the sphere. So this is a mirror in which the reflecting surface is manung level. Aduba kona concave mirror kawi. Aduga convex mirror hagana reflecting surface is mapan level. So this is a convex mirror. Sida kona pole. See pole kawi. See pole kawi ko. Then center zibo kona center of curvature. Center of curvature. Adagi center of curvature ga pole ga gi arapa adu kona radius of curvature kawi. So we can define some terms. Center of curvature. So center of curvature is center of the sphere, of which the mirror is a part. The center of curvature kawi. Radius of curvature hagana radius of the sphere of which the mirror is a part. Now pole height adi sigi C point je pole kawi. So this point is known as pole. So the central point of the mirror is called pole. Now principal axis. Now principal axis at the center of curvature ga pole ga arapa adu gi axis to. The axis passing through the center of curvature and pole is known as principal axis. So principal axis is the straight line passing through the center of curvature and pole. Pole ga center of curvature ga power ga chingiba straight line du bo kona principal axis ko. Then principal focus. What is principal focus? It is very important term. Akona convex mirror kanata adi se parallel oina lakpa riesi principal axis the parallel oina lakpa riesi after reflection it appear to diverge from a point. That point is called focus. In case of concave mirror, the ray incident parallel to the principal axis after reflection, it will pass through a point. That point is known as focus. So principal focus as you know the rays incident parallel to the principal axis after reflection pass through this point or appear to diverge from this point. Adugi point dugu ne akona focus size. Say for example koi kano khanarasi concave mirror khanarasi concave mirror. This is a concave mirror in which the polished surface sina somna kan lai reko. Sida this is principal axis. Principal axis. So principal axis parallel in a lakpa ray se katoi. So ray incident parallel to the principal axis passes through the focus. Focus pass a cube. I don't say lakpa ray se katoi. Focus pass a cube. Say lakpa ray se katoi. Focus pass a cube. Now, in case of convex mirror, say ray incident parallel to the principal axis appear to diverge from the focus. Why like for ray se focus say tolak point we. Focus is the total point away. Say like per ACD kadore reflected back to say like per AC kadore som sakre say like per AC kadore som sakre. And for convex mirror principal axis the parallel in the like per AC focus tagi tolak point away. And in case of concave mirror, principal axis the parallel in the lakpa ray reflection torba matung da focus the power ka sakhi. So figure sina hen mek senge si concave mirror am lare sida si lakpa ray Silakpur Rishi Kadora from the Silakpur Rishi. So then in case of convex mirror, principal axis the parallel in Lakpur Rishi Kadora focus say tholopo in ore. Focus say tholopo in ore. Silakpur Rishi focus say tholopo. Now, kona rule. So, kona sigi principal axis the parallel in the lakpa ray focus the force key in case of concave mirror. In case of convex mirror, principal axis the parallel in the lakpa ray focus the total point away. So now say concave mirror rays incident parallel to the principal axis passes through the focus. Adagi convex mirror gidi rays incident parallel to principal axis appear to diverge from the focus. Now second rule di kaino haita di rays passing through focus will become parallel to principal axis after reflection. Focus power ka lakpa ray se kedora principal axis the parallel in a sakhi in case of concave mirror, and in case of convex mirror sigi focus the ray coming towards the focus see principal axis parallel in a thoki. So we can note these 2 points, one for concave, one for convex. So concave mirror, rays incident towards the focus emerge parallel to principal axis after reflection. And for convex mirror, rays incident towards the focus are reflected parallel to the principal axis. We can draw diagrams for formation of image by concave mirror. So image formation by a concave mirror when the object is placed at infinity. Now here object is at infinity. When object is at infinity, infinity they lakpa rays ikadare. See this is the image. Alana infinity the labor object amagi image kadai the form to it is form at focus. So infinity the lakpa resi infinity the labor object sigi image focus the form to and the image is real and inverted. Then now beyond center of curvature, this is center of curvature. See center of curvature si ki wang mada object am thame sei lakpa ri si kadare focus power sakra. Then focus power lakpa ri si na kadare center of curvature power lakpa ri si kadare it is reflected back. So image is formed between focus and center of curvature, inverted. Image is inverted, real, diminished in size. So agona image center of beyond center of curvature the thamadi image is formed between center of curvature and focus, and the real image is real, inverted and diminished in size. Now if the object is placed at the center of curvature the thamta adi kadara image center of curvature the form to. So image is formed at center of curvature, and now if the object is placed between center of curvature and focus, image is formed beyond center of curvature and the image is real, inverted and enlarged in size. Adagi kaigumba image inana between focus and pole thamadi image kaigumba object si focus and pole thamadi when the object is placed between pole and focus. So this is for Roman number 5. See the image kadare see the object sigi image see the form tore. So here the image is erect where adagi enlarged where and it is virtual. Kaigino haitari, it is the image is formed behind the mirror, so the image is virtual. Are kaigumba object si focus thamadi. So this is for Roman number 6. Image focus thamda adi, object si focus thamda adi, image is formed at infinity. Image is at infinity. Now come to image formation by a convex mirror when the object is placed beyond center of curvature between these center of curvature and focus, at focus and pole, at focus at center of curvature. Sida kona convex mirror gidi kona khangadaba amna sida laiba object se lakpa ray si kadore focus sai tholakpa oina ure and center of curvature tamna lakpa ray si kadore it is reflected back. Aduna sida laiba image object sigi image sida form dor. Adaidora sida in case of convex mirror kandora for convex mirror the image is always virtual, erect and diminished in size. Sigi object si beyond center of curvature, between center of curvature and focus, object between focus and pole, object at focus, object at center of curvature. So see that the image is always erect or diminished in size pixel akani aduga virtual wini virtual id nasagi image always image is formed behind the mirror virtual image wini yare nga sigi di sai loisalasi mathang kanogi problem adagi yamna important oiba spherical mirror ki adagi lenses ki magi formula derivation adumai detail pirake adu ngasigi di matang sida loisalasi.